Hello, my name is Kennedy Peters and this is my website, Kennedy Photography. I have my logo right here, and if you click on that it'll take you back to this home page. I also have this slider at the top that has some of my favorite pictures that I've taken. And then if you scroll down you can see some more pictures that I've taken. My goal is to link these back to the blog post that they belong to. And then if you come back up to the top you can click the blog, and that'll be every post that I've made so far about my photography. And each one of these has a second category attached to it, and so if you go to portfolio and you go to, let's say, fine art, you'll be able to see my indoor light painting one and my outdoor light painting one. And then I also have some in creative. I have 4 different blog posts here. And then I have a contact page, and on the contact page I have a place where they can send me a message, a picture of myself, a little description, and it's linked to both my photography Instagram and my regular Instagram. And then same down here, and this little button will take you straight to Instagram. And then I have my pricing page where it has like the 1 hour standard shoot and the 2 hour and the 3 to 4 hour event. And if you click on one of those, it has a little description of what you get with that package. The whole purpose of my blog is to be able to start a business and to also have a place where I can put all the different types of photography that I've learned. And then one thing that I learned while creating this blog post is that using Divi is very beneficial, because I made this homepage without Divi, but I've made all the other pages with Divi and they look way better than this homepage. And then one thing that was really difficult was figuring out how to use SEO and how to make your blog post show up on Google. I struggle really hard with that, and sometimes I feel like it is messed up even if I do it correctly. So that's my blog.